Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am very happy to be here. I want to introduce myself. My name is Nastri. I am from Universitas Aisyah Surakarta. Now, I'm going to tell you about my research. My research is knowledge of sport, extracurricular student first aids and at senior high school in Surakarta. The first point in my research is extracurricular activity are held in order to develop the potential, talents, ability, personality, comprehension, and independence of student optimally with objective to support the achievement of the national education goal. And then the next physical activity or sport was carried out by majority of white society cannot deny that the can be or risk of injury at any time. Injury and extensive movement of the body during the physical activity. The basic understanding of the essential knowledge about sport injury first aid can be available for individual to provide emergency care in case of an accident, save the victims' lives and minimize injury. According to Baharudin, emphasized that sport injury first aid include everything that must be prepared to provide emergency care and form the medical action when an injury happens suddenly. In short, based on the fact and some cases as mentioned, the research thing with the strong standing point is really important to have a calm attitude and not panic in the face on the emergency or heavily injury accident. Then it means is it is really advisable to remain to keep calm in helping the victim can that dealing with injury by acting quickly and appropriately. Therefore, it's important to have adequate, adequate knowledge and deep comprehension about to up art or provide the injury spot first aid so that victim, victims can recover soon and actually and not mistakenly or profit harm. Finally, based on the fact, background, some case, and literature review support theory for the research urgency at methods earlier. The research have the point view with strong standing point that is really important to growing and leveling the student knowledge at senior high school can won't join in sport extracurricular activity with the information and about sport injury first aid. Let's move the next time. The next slide is method. The study category of descriptive research, the apprehension of qualitative analysis technique with the descriptive approach. Describe the general research of the study. The research were carried out by carefully the score data updated before it is present on person form. And then the setting of the study, the research work concludes from June to September 2020 at Senior High School in Surakarta. The research subject were study how join the extracurricular sport activity. Professor sampling technique was asked by the research to determine the sample of the study, and finally that's to 270 students. The data as the study as the main score data analysis for answer to research problem staying strong of questionnaire. The indicator the student include two type of knowledge. The first one, the knowledge first aid sport injury, the Buchen, strain and sprain, the through the precious method protect research in rest, ice, compression, elevation, and support. And then second one, the knowledge of first aid sport injury to injury bleeds, fainting, blending, muscle cramps, dislocation, and fracture. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go move the next slide. My research is finding and description. The respondent the study the act ran of 14 to 18-year old with the following detail to study student act 14 of 0.9%, 77 student act 15 years, 0.9%, 82 student act 6 years, 37.8%, and then 15 student act 17 years, 23%, and 16 student act 18 years, 2.8%. The respondent of student or participant in this student was dominates by more the death of the total number the respondent with the percent or 55 9 55 3.3% be male student or equivalent with 100 120 students. Meanwhile, there were 97 female students with the percent that was almost half of the total number respondent or more percentage 45 44.7%. The frequency distribution of student, the basic of knowledge level sports for ICE and category advanced, intermediate, and native. And then based of In short, that can be concluded that first rank is occupied the student was intermediate knowledge level. The following by student was advanced knowledge level on the second rank. The last rank in occupied by student who have knowledge level. And finally, its conclusion basic on the research and data analysis research that has been done. Be research snow that about 19% of students of practice 79.70% student only who take short sport extracurricular activity indicates their knowledge level about important of first aid. Sport injury is the intermediate category. In short, for implementing the research and the study, it can be serious connect to all stakeholder, policymaker, teacher, practitioner, school extracurricular coach in school and institution as information material to make politics relate to importance of maintaining safety and health for all students who take extracurricular sport. Furthermore, this is the effort to increase student knowledge, student understanding, and student skill in hard category level as well as the preventive effort to measure the preventive serious injury because of their previous knowledge of the language, how to avoid and how to prevent it. This can be done preventive counseling and training of the to all students. Okay, thank you and ladies and gentlemen. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.